Hello everyone, if you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay, so type hashtag replay. So I just finished my shower, so I thought I will do the live for today. So the live for today is about volumizing the lips. So I have few products that I wanted to a highlight about. When we talk about lip volumizer, it is what to say, like it's in general I would prefer that it's the healthiness of the lips, because it's not fun to have a dry dehydrated lips at all. So here I am going to just touch base on few products. That's what I'm going to do for the live today. And one more thing is, if you don't know that Monday will be my last day to sell, because my EAD ends on that day. So if you need to grab anything, I need to invoice and pay by that day for me to ship out. So that's one thing. I don't know how many have listened to the older announcements. So that's one thing. I think I keep forgetting that. So if you're hopping on, say hi. And so the top product obviously would be the lip volumizer from our thing, but I also wanted to touch base on the lip smooth, the lip balm, and also the lip mask. Meanwhile, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just read hi Prashanti, good morning. Just touch base on the important things from each one, because I have done individual videos on each of these, which I can link to if you need, but that way you will know which one will be your preference. So what I do is, whenever I get ready for the day, I always apply the lip volumizer. You can do either in the morning or at night. For me, before applying lip sense, I like it to soak it in. I think many of other brands, they use lip balm to do that before they go ahead and apply the lip sense. But with lip sense, you cannot apply the lip balm, because our lip balm will break the lip sense color. So that's why I apply the lip volumizer to soak it in. What this is going to do is, it's going to fill in the lips nicely by the time I go over with my lip sense also. So one sec. So these all except the lip mask, everything else is in the beauty book. So that way I will just touch base few things. I don't know whether you guys know, there is no sweat glands in your lips. That's why it cannot hydrate on its own. You need to put moisture in so that it doesn't become dry and flaky. Being here, you know, we have like so harsh winters sometimes, and I have seen many people who have dry chapped lips. So even exfoliating the lips is going to help, but you cannot use a exfoliator that you are going to use on your face, on your lips, because it can be a little bit harsh for the softer parts of the lips. So first thing, as I said, lip volumizer. So it says getting lasting results of full pouty lips. This proprietary formula is based on the most advanced and natural technologies, plumping the lips from inside out. Lips will appear noticeably smoother and fuller. As I said, that's what, when I go over my lip sense, what this does is, it's going to hydrate well until I finish my face. So if I am doing my eye makeup, if I'm doing my face, it gets time to soak in all the moisture before I go over with lip sense. So the two key ingredients here are, one is obviously volumizing complex, a proprietary blend of peptides and botanicals that's going to help make it plumpier. And the second one is Kiss Me Quick Plant, helps boost moisture and the appearance of the firmness. So it is just taking out the wrinkles. If you see, some people will say I have the lines. Sometimes when they apply the lip sense, it settles in the cracks. So this way it is going to be like nice and plumpy, and that's why I like glossy gloss more than matte gloss look, because when you have glossy gloss, it feels so hydrating, and it feels like you have the most healthiest lips of all. So that's my favorite way. And Second product, so that is the one. This bottle will be there for quite a while. It is like a, you're going to use very tiny amount, and if you don't want to use it in the morning, you can always prefer to use it at before you go to bed, because that way you're not going to drink water, or you're not going to what to say, like eat any food or something. So it has the time to soak in. You can even use the lip balm first and then seal it with the lip voluminizer. So that's the first one I wanted to talk about. And the second thing is obviously the lip smooth and the lip balm. As you all know, lip smooth is our lip exfoliator. If you have what's it, like bought products from me, I always make sure to send the what's it, like the sample. For the sample comes with the lip smooth and the clear lip balm. So this will be the combo I used to send. One lip smooth will, even the sample will be there for at least 5 uses, and you're going to use only twice a week. So even the sample, whenever you get, once you open it, make sure you open it little tiny instead of ripping apart. That way you can put it in a Ziploc or something. You can store it for another 2 weeks and use it for a longer period of time without it getting dried out. This is such a nice way for you to, what is it, like take away any flakiness in your lips. This makes a perfect gift too, because this is a product that's going to be there, at least I would say, even if you use twice a week, it would be there minimum 1 year, I would say. That's how much product is there, and it has a very nice almondy vanilla scent kind of. So when you apply it, it is like a what is it, like a whipped cream consistency kind of. It's more of like a sugar scrub consistency. So you don't even have to put too much pressure on. You can just rub it in a little bit, or if you're someone who doesn't like to rub, you can even apply as a mask and leave it for 1 or 2 minutes and just gently wipe off with a warm cloth, or even with I would say, like, what else, you can just wipe it off with a towel or something. So the main key ingredient here is bamboo and ivory seed powder, which is going to be your gentle and effective exfoliators. Nangai oil, I think if you have watched my morning and evening skincare, I have always said Nangai oil is our perfect for if you have a dry skin. It is going to have 97% of triglycerides. It comes like how we say coconut oil comes from coconut. So this comes from a nut called Nangai nut from the Vanuatu region. So only Senegens has the rights to take out of Nangai oil. So that proprietary ingredient is again in this one. So that's why it's going to be really moisturizing. Once you exfoliate your lips, you will see how well moisturized it is. And the second thing is obviously shea butter, which is in most of our products, because shea butter is nothing but, I think it's helps to moisture your skin. And as I said, here lips doesn't have any sweat glands or any pores, so you need to moisturize it well. And when it comes to lip balms, we have one clear, and I think we have 5 tinted lip balms. So we have berry, blush pink, we had fuchsia, nude, and one more, I forgot the name, I think it's like corally one. So we had 5 of them. So similar way, even the sample will be there for I would say minimum 10 times. Even I know people can stretch more, but even if you use, you will have 10 times. So similar way, this one will be there for so long. And since it's clear, it's perfect for both men and women. It doesn't matter. And if you are someone who grabs lip balms on the way and on the go, then you can get obviously the tinted ones. And that way you keep your lips really hydrated. And the latest addition is obviously the lip mask. It is such a wonderful scent with our watermelon scent. You can see how much I have used because I am really obsessed with it, because when you go to bed and have this is like a soothing scent for yourself, so it's going to be really like a spa experience. So I really love that. If you see this one, it has obviously the watermelon fruit extract, which is the super fruit, and that's why it has vitamins, aminos and antioxidants to protect against moisture loss. And also this again has shea butter, and there is an ingredient called Lip Perfection, an active ingredient derived from purified extract of mustard sprouts that helps to hydrate and increase the appearance of lip volume. Hi Shobna, good morning. Thank you for hopping on. So whoever what is it, like grabbed the lip mask, they were already were like, I'm really obsessed. It is like it is now part of the night care routine, because this is again only at night time. All these things, it depends on your preference, whether you want using morning or evening. You can always use it, but the overnight mask is basically like soak up mask, so you will use only at night. And similar way, when it comes to lip sense and lip gloss, I would say lip sense is like sunscreen to your lips. I know when I started, we all say we have what is it, like a discoloration in our lips, but the more you use, the more your lips will become healthier. And even if you had dry chapped lips, try applying even one layer, because you are going to use a gloss that's going to have the moisturizing benefits. So that way, the more you use lip sense, the more I feel my lips are so healthier. And when you buy the lip smooth, it used to come with this lip brush, that way you can exfoliate. Sorry, this is my brush that Cloudy used. So I have a separate brush. So I didn't find my one, so I just grabbed him, whatever he had. So he likes to, what is it, like bite it. He's getting all new teeth, so we always have one for him. So, and even the lip mask, only when you get it as a collection, it comes with a small applicator, but you can pretty much use your finger too if you don't want to. Similar way, whenever I use the lip balm and lip smooth, instead of applying on my lips, sometimes I take it in my finger and try to apply, because as I said, since it's going to be there for 1 year or so, you don't want any infection to go in. So I feel this is more cleaner way. So you can take out the amount you want and then apply instead, because it has a pointy tip. Let me show you. It has a pointy tip where you can apply, but I prefer that way, because even the lip balm or anything, if it is you can apply with your fingers, you can share or you can do something, so that way it is little cleaner. And as I said, even the days you don't wear lip sense and lip gloss, our lip gloss alone has shea butter and vitamin E again, so it's going to be such a moisturizing one. This is my favorite. I think this is Bella Glossy, if I'm not wrong. Let me apply. I don't even have the name of it. Yeah, this is Bella Glossy. I think Bella Glossy is sold out again. I don't know. I need to see. I had like a brownish eye look for today. I was practicing. So Bella Glossy and Bella Matte used to be my favorite, because there isn't anybody who cannot pull out Bella Lip Sense, because it's a neutral shade, so that way it's going to suit any skin tone basically. And even if you are not a lip sense person, you can still wear the gloss. And as I said, once you wear the gloss for even few minutes, you can see how moisturizing it is. And even as if you don't have anything and you just have the lip gloss, then as I said, when you go to bed, just apply the lip gloss and let it soak in overnight. Because when you start lip sense, I have heard many people will say they have the tingling sensation, because there are two reasons behind that. The first reason is obviously lip sense has SD40 alcohol in it, because every time you touch and keep it back, they don't want any bacterial growth inside the tube. So that's the reason they have the SD40 alcohol in it. So when you apply, what it does is it evaporates immediately, but that alcohol may cause a little bit of tingling. And the second reason is, hi Shajini, thank you so much for hopping on. So the second reason is, if you have a dry chapped lips, obviously you may feel the tingling sensation. So for those people, I always say, whether you wear Lipsons or not, please make sure you use the gloss, any gloss. It can be a pigmented gloss, it can be a clear gloss. So use it as much you can until your lips become more healthy. That's when it becomes a habit of using more and more, and you will love it as you practice, because I know it's like a big transition when you are moving from regular lipstick to Lipsons, but once you are hooked with Lipsons, I don't think you can go back, because the way it looks, the way you like the tickling feeling. Oh yeah, even see, for example, when someone uses brightening for the first time, the brightening multivitamin, they will have that tingling. So how I explain is, that's because the vitamin C in that in the tube is still active. So you want something that is active, so you are going to get more benefits out of it. It is like cutting open a fresh lemon and rubbing up against your skin. So you will going to have a tingling sensation. If it is dry and it's not fresh at all, do you think you will still have it? You won't, right? So that's actually in a good way, because you feel like it is working. So and it's not going to last longer, like it's not going to be burning sensation. It is just your skin has never been exposed to anything that is active, so it is getting used to that part. That's all it is. Nothing major burning or anything. It is just once it starts to use regularly, the skin will understand, oh okay, now I am able to hear. Because similar with retinol also, that's why we say you need to make your skin understand that it is handling a powerful ingredient. So that's how much you are going to, that's why you start with once a week and then slowly move on. Yes, that's what, Shobna. Yeah, because it is like your skin is never exposed. Even though some people have used vitamin C from other brands, it's not active at all, because there is no FDA regulation that regulates that it is active when it is delivered to the customer. They regulate only when it is in the manufacturing process. So whoever advertises saying that this is a vitamin C that is there and we pay the premium price, but it is not active because it's a so volatile ingredient. Like that's what, as I said, like cutting an apple or cutting a lemon, it is so hard for you to not to oxidize it. So that's why we always say, when you use vitamin C, anytime you need to put a day cream on, because you don't want the vitamin C to get exposed. You want to seal it in, so you get more benefits out of it. So that's it. I think I pretty much covered all the lip products for the day, and hope you will be able to grab any one of these before I close. And my first order is already shipped. Hopefully by Friday, I think I will be able to ship at least 10 to 15 orders from that. And then yesterday night again, I placed another order with whatever pending things I have to grab. As I said, if you can clear the invoice, that would be really great. And because otherwise no other way, I need to cancel after the 10th, because I will not be able to accept the payment after that. So if you have asked for the products, please do clear the invoice. That really helps me and to close it and move forward. So that's it. And what are the plans for Mother's Day? So you guys have to share just a few more days, so that I still have been put the giveaway basket. Please forgive me. I will make sure before end of day I will post the giveaway basket for that. And you all have a wonderful day. I finished my workout for the day, and I'm going to follow up with all the customers so that I can send out the details I need. And if you have received the product, please do let me know how you liked it, and have a wonderful day, guys.